Hey guys, this is your traveler friend Amit Mishra and you're watching Amit Traveler. I'm here at Machu Picchu, one of the 7 wonders of the world. So let's explore. Today is the last day to Machu Picchu hike and it's 6:15 and my entry is at 8 a.m. So I'm heading towards Machu Picchu now. So just after 2 kilometers of walk, you need to show the passport and the entry ticket to Machu Picchu. The Circuit 4 ticket for Machu Picchu plus Huayna Picchu costs you around 220 sols per person. You can book it through the online government website which redirects you to joinus.com website, and there you can book the tickets. One of the interesting fact about Machu Picchu is that when there was Spanish invasion, the Inca people, they burnt the complete forest and the path around Machu Picchu, so it could not be discovered by the Spanish people. And for hundreds of years, this place was not discovered at all. So on the trail we hardly found 5 people hiking to come up till the Machu Picchu, and most of the people, they are taking the bus. This is one of the 7 wonders of the world, Machu Picchu, and in front that you see the mountain, that is Huayna Picchu, also called as Huayna Picchu. Now we are entering the Sun Temple. This here you see is the Sun Temple. Beside the temple is the Inca priest house. Water temple, air temple and sun temple. These are the houses of the Inca. If you guys like the video, please do share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Now walking towards the Huayna Picchu, which is also called as Huayna Picchu. Basically the way to Huayna Picchu, it is steep and gets slippery during the rains, so you should have proper gear to climb it, proper shoes to climb the steps, and it's steep, completely steep from Machu Picchu until Huayna Picchu, and takes you approximately 1 hour to go up. So finally I'm at Huayna Picchu. The last couple of steps I just did a sprint. The steps are really small, your whole feet does not fit at all, so only the front fingers, they are on the steps, rest of the leg is outside. This is the Condor Temple. On the way back, now it's sunny, and again I'm taking the hiking path back and not the bus. Now I am hiking towards Hydroelectrica, and from there I will be taking a taxi which will cost around 15 to 20 sols, and they will drop me in Santa Teresa, where there is hot water spring. So I'm gonna enjoy some thermal water, relax my muscle, and then next day, that is tomorrow, I'll be heading back to Cusco. Basically, from Aguas Calientes to go to Cusco, you have only one option, which is train, and that is pretty expensive. You have to pay around $70 to $80, and it may increase as well. But the views, if you go with the train, is amazing, so maybe you should opt for it. But I'm going the cheapest way. I'm hiking back again through the railway tracks to Hydroelectrica. It's 5 p.m. and before it's gonna get dark, I'm almost about to reach Hydroelectrica. It took approximately 2 hours to walk all the way from Aguas Calientes to Hydroelectrica. So at Hydroelectrica, I found immediately a colectivo, a sharing taxi, and now I'm going towards Santa Teresa for hot water spring. So for 50 sols, the taxi from Santa Teresa to Cusco.